8, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, good late morning, everyone. Michael Venezia, head trader and one of the coaches at Tradeview Markets. Sponsors TradeGATEHub. Let's sign in. You had to be in the room. 10-year lows, 10 years hitting the lows of the year yield. Keep in mind with that. A lot was going on in the room. Stocks that I traded yesterday and why. I dissertate about them all. Look at them. Go over the charts. We always give you upgrades, downgrades. Trade between the channel. Really very consistent and very consistent on the data. I mean, I'm not a business owner, not really in terms of where I employ people, but from what I understand, the number one key is consistency. So I even try to be in chronological, in other words, in terms of sequence. Okay. So anybody that missed anything, always upgrades, downgrades, Wall Street research, Goldman Sachs opinions, everything you need in here, option activity, everything that we do that is what TradeGATEHub is about. Option flow, range, volume, price action, sentiment. Okay. Anybody missed anything? It's been a long week, even though Monday we were off. Go back, watch all the videos. Coach and I getting 200 a day, almost approaching 4,000 subscribers. And believe me, it's their quality, not quantity in terms of people. Okay, let's get to what's going in right now. All right, what's moving? Okay, the day after NVIDIA, what's it doing? It looks like it's turning into buy the rumor, sell the news situations. NVIDIA breaks yesterday's high. SMCI range here. Oh my lord! Look at the range in SMCI. You already have $150 range. Stocks reporting well. Square. Here you go, Square. I have to go back. Lunar, hot stock. I've been trading this all morning. Lunar range, 11, back to 9, back to 11, closed at 8. I mean, these stocks are I don't know why my charts are over there. Lunar trading 51 million shares today. To give an example, Apple's traded 12 million. So the stocks that we're trading today over here, AAOI finally gave it up. Made a nice trade in that this morning. First of all, let me give you something on AAOI up at 4:30 in the morning. For AAOI, buying it. Boom, right here in the morning. First one up, 12. Buying more right here, 1207. Selling some, 1467. I'm the guy. Thank you, Coach. I hope you're doing better. And by the way, a great call on saving. Go to our YouTube channel. Watch people's comments the past week or two that thought they were getting sexy trying to pick the GLD of the miners. Pardon me. As you can see here, it's 36 degrees and cloudy on the bottom left. I'm in New York. Very cold today and damp. Here's the chart on the GLD. The stocks lead the commodities. Go back and listen to Coach. Here's the chart on EGLD. Here's the chart on Newmont. Here's the chart on GLD, the old Barrick. So actually, that doesn't look bad, the old GLD Barrick. That's the one that's taking any options. But Newmont, they cut the dividend, self-explanatory. Hopefully, they threw the baby out with the bathwater in this old Wall Street cliche. I'm in it. AG reversing today. Coaches were interact. Ooh, look at the range in that. Very good, Coach. AG reversing today. Yesterday it had the volume. Finished on the low. That might be the shakeout. If this AG closes over the 21 day 460, it's going to 5 with or without you. Good eye, Coach. I like that too. Range, volume, and price action. It's not a barn burner. Stock has gone what? It's already had a 6% range today. Fact. Let's look at AEM taking calls. A subscriber that was in here. XBI put spreads. Is XBI. I told you 1,000 times. Ooh, that's going down now, XBI. Market, ooh, taking a hit here. Affirm, market going down. Bad reversal in the market here. Not going to lie. SPYs, they're turning into a sell the rumor, a sell the news situation. Amazon, MU, SMCI, NVIDIA just went negative. CrowdStrike, Square, I just covered it right before on the air at like 79.90, but I did make money in it. Square, let it come down. Uber giving it up. GCT up 5 one day. AEM breaking high as we speak. Lunar still going up. Stock of the day. Lunar. Let me take off these parameters. And by the way, if I'm fast and furious, don't worry. You can go back and go to the YouTube channel. Carvana hanging in there. MRVI, stock of the day. Opens up and keeps going up. How you doing? MRVI. Range price action, opening range breakout. Everything you need for a good trade. Another one, Roots are on fire. Hot stock. It's a thin stock, don't get me wrong, but these are the stocks they're playing. Okay, for those that are shy, I mean, it kind of broke out, but those that are shy, buy stop root, new high. You know, not really buy stop. You're probably going to get a bad fill, but coddle this thing. You know what I mean? 1463 was the new high. Here, even though here's the gap. 1448. You have every reason above the gap here. Triple thing, so root, the new high. By the way, it has it in it. Every time it has that big volume bar, this is a stock that happens to follow. AMD lows. Shack. Getting ridiculous, I'm being told. I'm not in it. Shack. With the huge PE not going down. All right. So I got a crew, and part of that crew is trusting them. Shack. That's actually engaged in the market right now. It doesn't hit 100, blast through it. Shack, very, very overpriced. But you know what? So is that Wingstop reported the other day. Oh, look at Wingstop. I think this is the most expensive stock in the market on a PE. I'm not quite sure. Well, let's go. I digress. We were talking about gold, Coach. AG reversing today is posted, Mike. All right, let me get back in rhythm. Stocks with range. Let's back that to some charts. AAOI gave it all up. Carvana. There it is. The squeeze happened. It happened. This might be it. 70. High on Carvana, 76. Still holding the opening range breakout. Carvana goes below 68. I would think about it. Then it's got a shot to break 66. And I'm not saying it's going to do it. Probably better trades out there. It's got a lot of buyers underneath. Better trade. But that also an example. If they start to get this one up, go to other ones. How about our stocks acting well here? SM. Everybody, please don't let me be redundant. SM adding to it. Yesterday had earnings with the shakeout. It was beautiful. Where was SM in the morning? It was a lot lower. Trust me, I was trading SM, whatever. 39. Yesterday's high was 42.41. SM adding to it in the fund. Another one that showed. That's why I'm buying. Oh, by the way, I did buy Boyle here. Another one showing some resilience in the natural gas world. Doesn't look like it or not, but RRC is a major natural gas player, 27 to freaking 33. In a couple of days here, big move, still over the 200-day, acting well. I did buy some Boyle here. I should be buying UNG, but I bought Boyle because I don't know. Let me get this off here. VIX down. VIX is on the low as the market. Some of these are moving. Hold on a second. I want to start this at the open. All right, UNG holding here. Why did I buy Boyle? I bought a bunch of Boyle at 15, 18. All right, here we are. Boyle. Why am I buying it? Okay. I still think there's, just like Coach would say, when this Boyle went from 13 to 17 on that Chesapeake news, and I am still in Chesapeake, I think there's another move left here, especially if the market's going to pull back a little bit, which it may or may not. SPY and NASDAQ red to green. IWM wants red to green. So they're giving away the NAS, and the IWM is going the other way. And why do I know that? Because I'm talking real time, and I'll show one of my scanners here. Let's moving up. Percent gainers to 15 minutes. Lunar mentioned it. SGML, lithium. I'm in lithium. SGML, big move off the bottom. Lithium stocks, SGML, Holo, always hot. EBS, hot stock, not a barn burner.
¿Hay agua? Ah, no,
Whoa,
sí hay agua.
somebody yelling at
Pero
me.
si hay agua de ducha.
Huh?
Entre todos. Sí,
What's that?
para a un mínimo de 5 personas para empezar a.
Hello?
Ayer. No he visto nada.
All right, what's moving now? Bothering me. EBS, let's go to that one. I got distracted. EBS, hot stock. Could go to the 200-day with volume. It's a little one, but it's hot. Somebody was distracting me. SGML, root. I said it already. Root. Let's look at percentage losers, 15 minutes. Dogs, low floater. DTYX gave it up. INDI, Wayfair had earnings yesterday. Never did anything sexy, Wayfair. They tried to shake everybody out yesterday at 60. 60. 59. Trust me, yesterday on Wayfair, I was in it. The high on Wayfair was 59 in the morning. Let's go to 2 days. This could be a decent short. Settings. Wayfair was in the morning, correct? 430. Wayfair short of 50. Yeah, fact. 57 on Wayfair. That was in the morning after we reported. Wayfair's low yesterday was 50.16. 50.16 on Wayfair was yesterday's low. Is Wayfair below the 50-day, below the 200-day, sitting on a bunch of moving averages, good ranges. Let's see what happens. Giving some profits back on some volume. All right, so it's fast and furious. Anybody have any questions? SoFi bearish. Here we go, coach. Coach is gonna. The coach was on me. He'd say, Mike, with this AG here, do you see anything? And yes, we do, coach. GOLD, gold opening September sweeps. Guy steps in with 1.2 million. He's a little shy going into next September. But GOLD, what is he looking at? Okay, it's close to a bottom on a niner. So GOLD, those are the kind of sweeps I like. Okay. Never made a new low. Obviously, the entity has something to catch up. Never made a new low. Did have earnings on this day, by the way, so earnings are out of the way. Taking sweeps. It is what it is. You know, maybe I hope it. Maybe I hope. I never trade on hope. You turn around on September. You know what? Coach has been better at. Coach will be better at this. We'll have a situation on Monday or the weekend or whatever. But gold taking sweeps. You know what I mean? I leave that to the professionals. It's my job to look at option flow, and the coach is my commodity mentor. We'll leave it to that. What's this here? Okay, gold sweeps, gold bullish, gold bullish. They're going into GOLD. NVIDIA puts. Get it. SU bullish, another one besides SM. Am I going overboard here? What time is it? 11:23. No. The other one, the number 2 stock besides SM is what? SU. You got it. Man, I love this fucking stock. SU and SM, both SUs. And those are my 2 oil stocks in my fund right now at the moment. And they should be, because SM is taking flow and it's at great relative strength. And SU, as you see here, had nice news before. SU, bullish, March. Okay, I like that. Apple, bearish. LVS, bearish. BKR, energy need. You know what BKR is? BKR is the old Baker Hughes. And that's a driller. BKR driller. Can't, oh, BKR, that was BKE, that's Buckle. I was gonna say I can't do it. BKR, yes, I can do it. It's a stock that might work. It's a driller. When I see this, I go, okay, let's look at the other drillers. Blah, 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 blah. Halliburton, blah, blah, blah. But BKR, not a barn burner. It's probably a couple thousand shares in the fund. One of these stocks that if you want it to work, you don't watch it. You know, could be a good, you know, one of these reversion, means the reversion stocks that they go down on tech stocks. You get the picture. I'll say it. So RVSN moving sharply. This is a ripper. RVSN was $24 a month ago. Now it's $3. So anybody getting bailed out from 360, 362, you got a long way to go. Not interested. You want to know why? Below the 200-day. What am I going to get out of this freaking thing? Everybody's in this thing from 11. They can't wait to sell it at 5. Not interested. The move is up here. I want to leave some more flow. BKR energy name. Riven bullish. Gold miners have been awful. This says it right here. And I'll post it on TGH. Nice opening September bet in the leader of the group. GOLD is now the leader. But there was a viewer of ours that pointed it out, and I love this stock. AEM is acting very well. Very well. Let's look at AU. Let's look at GFI. EGO, the stock that we held on those strongest for a long, long time. I looked at it yesterday. Ooh, what happened today? Is that real? It hit 975. What happened to Lego my Ego? Ego Gold. This one was the strongest one, period, leading the whole charge. Now it pulled a Newmont. All right, Lego my Ego. Now it's AEM, GOLD, AU. Nope, GFI. Uninterested. Maybe GFI. That's got the squeeze in it. GFI, AG. Obviously, Coach brought up silver. You know what? It is AG. I wanted to see it break a little bit. It's on my radar. Like I said, I wanted to be over that 50-day, the 21-day. But it's GOLD. Let's not argue. That's the one. You know what I mean? It's almost similar to I got distracted. I apologize. It's almost similar to like an SU or something. Just put it away and it's going to work. Or Riven taking calls. I'm sorry, similar to a BKR. BKR and this AG and gold are very similar. You stock those two, a couple of golds and a driller, along with some SM and SU, and that's your energy portfolio moving forward as maybe some of these other techs come in. Riven bullish, are they squeezing this thing? Got out of it. It was one of my best holdings. Tesla led the way to get out of this freaking thing. Although Tesla's showing some relative strength, maybe the cult status is still holding through. But Riven, that's it. It's the 10. Not even interested. Just they don't want these EVs. It is what it is. All right. Natural gas lows. How did that happen? Where's Boyle? I have a bid out to buy more Boyle at 14.96. I'm not to get married for this thing because there's still more. 14.95. Boyle. I bought more. Right there's my bid, and that's where I wanted it with the volume. That's where I originally wanted Boyle. You see that? And I started building. It might have saved me. The difference from 15.26 on 20,000 shares is a difference. That was my original bid in Boyle, and the volume came in there. I'm not alone. That's where I wanted it originally, right here. Maybe 14.86 instead of nibbling right here, 15. Save me. You know what? Well, still, it might go lower. Unfortunately, I have some Chesapeake left. What's going on here? Market bounced. Market's bouncing a little bit. What's going up now? NVIDIA, real time. I'll leave it here. AAG reversing today. Kept the coach. All right, what's going? Sim, Avago, U, Square. Back where I covered it. I complained about it about 5 minutes ago. It's back to where it was. Bounced to $1.50, acting strong. SCTG run. It's over. Lewis, told you. Look at the sun run. I wouldn't even buy it for a bounce. So maybe it goes up. You have to be very right on this freaking thing. Those trades are over. So they're taking now so what's going up past percentage gainers in 15 minutes? EBS brought it up. Sound, Saidu, Ardex, SGML. At Lego my Ego. Ego bounced. Could this be the Newmont of the day? Newmont did the same freaking thing 2 days ago. I can't do it. I'm still in Newmont. It's something I can't average down. I'd rather get paid on gold. GOLD, it made me do maybe. Newmont goes back to my price of like 33. I'm so pissed. What am I supposed to do? It's looking good here. It's a binary move. It's what for me. It's a Newmont that's 12-15% in a day. That's a binary move for me. My clock's not working up there. Why is that? 11:30. I'm going overboard. My bull and bear clock is not working. That's not good. I'll post that too. Anything else to say, Lewis, coach? Somebody. Okay, for those that miss us or don't want to hear me, I get it. All you got to do is go here. Where's my room? Trading room. What's the icon for trading room? Stocks. Boom. Go here. Anybody that goes to Yahoo Finance, delete it from your freaking thing. There you go, right here. Top US gainers on the day. Percentage change. Go. AXTI. Right next to AXTI. It's right next to it. all you need right here to chart. What's number 2? MRVI. I pointed it out. There's the chart on MRVI. You can go 3 minutes, adjust it, go to the indices, go to crypto. You want to see what crypto is going today? The board's all here, adjusted. All right. So besides us doing live videos and us also having a YouTube channel where we do several videos a day, also to the fact that you can open a live account or a demo account. If I'm going too fast, open a demo account, get used to it. Like I said yesterday, already taking some calls. That's a solar. They're trying to bounce array. They're trying to bounce array off the bottom. All right. That's a solar. What else are they starting to buy? SGML, nat gas lows. That bounce off that 1490. 1492. My next price and my last Cody. Kramer liked this one. Is it going up? Cody Kramer likes this stock. Boyle. My last bid on Boyle is 1488. That's all I'm gonna do for today. Oh, I think I probably got it. Giddy up. I did get it. 1487. That was where I really wanted. When this volume came in, 1437. So I'm in Boyle. What's my position now? Settings, real time. My V ain't shy. My V ain't shy. I got 18,000. My average price is 1536. Now, considering I sold a bunch of it at 18 the other day, I did. It was after hours. Now my average prices went from basically 1820, which was after hours, back down to 1480 a minute. I'm okay with it. Hopefully Chesapeake bounced with it, but Boyle, I'm not really suggesting ETFs, triple ETFs. Newmont positive, Lunar, Square back. Carvana is giving up a little bit. Root still going. The Root's on fire. Is the daily. It's done. I've seen stock go to 50 in a squeeze. Be careful. It's above this. So active stocks for everyone. Active play for everyone. So here's what I'm going to look at. So if I were to sign off and I'm going to regroup, I go, okay, this is what I do. I review the news. I go back to sweepers with Fed Powell to appear March 7th. I write that down. Array. I brought it up before. Cody, array bullish. BKR, a breather and sweeper appetite, never part of the morning appetite. They don't really have an appetite for this. So they're selling into rallies at this moment. All right, I'll leave it there. I tried to do my best. I'll try to do better next time. Cody, I brought it up before. Kramer likes it. It's in the ELF. It's in the beauty category. Watch it, man. There's the weekly on Cody. It's got it in it. Let's look at Estee Lauder. You know, that's not even dead. Estee Lauder Lewis likes this one on the down sloper. Elf in the group. There you go, Elf. You don't want to give it back. Sally's Beauty Supply. I'm sorry if I went too much, but you know what I mean? The way my head goes. So thanks for tuning all week. Be here the rest of the day. Obviously, it's an international room, if you will. We got Lewis is in Peru. We got everybody's all over the place. H is in Turkey. Coach is in San Diego. We got a bunch of Canadian people. So we're here for you. As yields weakness continues, 10-year lows at so keep an eye on the 10-year. Okay, it's the same as it always is. I'll leave this here off at the most active list on the day. So thank you for tuning in. Have a plan, comments, questions, even complaints. Welcome. We want to get better. Once again, TradeGATEHub is all about quality, not quantity. We try to condense things where, just like Tradeview Markets is built upon, TradeGATEHub is, a room built by traders for traders. It's going to be that way, stay that way. So cheers. Thanks for tuning in. We're humbled. We'll do better the next time. Thanks.